Global manufacturing faces a compounding squeeze: volatile geopolitics, sudden supply chain seizures, and a massive mandate to rapidly decarbonize operations. For over a century, success on the factory floor was measured through manual labor and single-site efficiency gains. Today, while almost every major manufacturer is testing new technology, very few manage to deploy it across their entire footprint. This creates pilot purgatory, a state where a company successfully operates one isolated smart machine while the rest of the factory remains disconnected. Attempting to scale these experiments across a global network without a clear strategy leads to massive operational friction and wasted capital. Moving beyond these isolated tests is the necessary strategic pivot for any manufacturer attempting to navigate current market disruptions. The World Economic Forum identifies manufacturers overcoming this through their Global Lighthouse Network, a cohort of sites successfully moving frontier technology into full-scale production. These leaders have shifted their focus away from merely testing technology toward the rigorous process of institutionalizing what actually works. This network provides a proven roadmap to deploy new systems across diverse facilities without destabilizing the existing supply chain. To map these successes, the forum launched Lumina, an AI platform built from 8 years of data and over 1,000 industrial transformations. This visualization shows that 94% of successful transformations require the integration of multiple technology domains rather than a single solution. These systems only work if they can exchange data freely, which requires manufacturers to adopt open standards across their disparate software and hardware. New technology is effectively useless if the resulting data cannot be shared across the factory's digital ecosystem. At Carl Zeiss Vision, they use digital twins and AI agents to tailor personalized optical lenses based on individual customer lifestyles. By integrating these systems, they expanded their personalized product range by 400%, while simultaneously cutting delivery times. Sustainability follows a similar blueprint. Foxconn Vietnam faced the challenge of tracking Scope 3 emissions across hundreds of different suppliers. They utilized generative AI and digital twin technology to account for and reduce emissions across over 128 independent suppliers. Then there is the talent gap. At Schneider Electric, a 55% increase in automation created a mismatch between existing skills and new operational needs. They used AI to personalize employee upskilling, which reduced their technical onboarding timeline from 75 days down to just 15. True scaling integrates product design, supplier coordination, and human talent. Automation alone fails to deliver impact without these supporting systems. This chart shows that facilities combining integrated technology with workforce development and sustainability outperform their peers by an average of 16%. In this era, industrial success is no longer defined by assembly lines, but by the health of a factory's data network. This digital nervous system is the only way to link R&D, talent, and suppliers with the customer in real time. The manufacturers who thrive in this environment are those who look beyond isolated pilots and use data to rewire their entire operations for resilience.